So what we're going to have a look at today is one of the new amazing features in iOS 16, and that is removing your subject from the background in a photo. Let me show you what I mean. So we're going to open up this photo here. As you see, we've got a photo of French film director Jean-Luc Godard, and what we'll do is we'll basically use our finger, we'll tap on the screen and basically hold where he is. So as you can see now, we've kind of got this subject that we can move around like so. And if we hold it like that again, you'll start to see the line going around where it's like what the app has decided it's going to cut out. Now there's a range of stuff you can do. You can, if you click share, you can save the image and like do all that other fun stuff with it, and it does save it as a PNG, so you can import this into something like Photoshop or like some other photo editing app that allows layers. But what we're going to do is we're just going to click back on it, and we're going to click copy, and what you can do is you can just copy this into other apps, allow you to copy and paste images. So what you can do is I go into my notes app now, and if I click paste and done, you can now see that we have this picture like so, and it's actually really well done. Like the cutout, there's not much background there may be a little bit between the fingers on the hand, but that's really not a lot to complain about when how good it is. It's just in the app and you can just do it. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.